Welcome again to Budget with Brian. And you may remember that I reported a little while ago from the FFX show, and my cameraman bought a couple of items that he was very excited with, and I have to say was jolly good value. And I'm going to show you today one of the ones that we showed you at the stand, but just to show you the real value of the purchase. Elsewhere we've covered the working of the units, but it's in a Makpac. So if we open up, that's what it looks like inside. You're obviously the instructions, 2 batteries, battery charger, and what we got was the multi-tool. I call this a zizzer, you know, because when you fire it up it goes zzz, and when you fit the blade to it, it goes zzz and cuts whatever you want. They're brilliant tools. These are get out of jail tools, and I've covered this one before because I've got one. I don't like to say the cameraman is a bit of a copycat, but there you go. And then the other item that came in the pack was the drill, and this is got impact and screw as well as drill, and all of the torque settings, 2-speed, and again with making use of the 2 batteries that came with it. This was really good value at about £80 all up, and you also got with it this little extra in here with some of the zizzer tools, and it's all well packed. And I thought, excellent value. If you want a zizzer or a multi-tool and you want want a drill, this is the kit to get. Not bad, eh? One other comment I would add is that lots of people are buying a kit like this, stripping out the batteries, maybe the charger, and selling the body only. And that's not a bad idea. I've mentioned that before on this channel. And in actual fact, my cameraman's next purchase was in fact the impact driver, which for many people is more important in use than the drill. He bought the impact driver, £30. He's got 2 batteries. He's never going to be using 2 tools at the same time. Just put the battery in and you've got an impact driver going. Look out for body only deals. They're quite good sometimes. So, good purchase, and I'm going to show you in the next film, perhaps, is the other purchase we made at FFX. But when you put a couple of items together like that, if you ask the man nicely at the exhibition, maybe you'll get one of these little bags, shaped like a battery, because they want to tell you all about the 18-volt 5-amp battery. But in actual fact, it's a lunchbox that keeps my sausage roll warm. What do you think about that? Worth asking for, eh? There are links below to where you can get these from. But in the meantime, thank you for watching Budget with Brian. And don't forget, we're on Instagram and Twitter. Forgive me for always getting that wrong. It's not my medium, really. However, if you've got any comments, don't forget, you put them in the link below, and don't forget to subscribe.